If you're on the hunt for a smartphone that packs a stunning 400-megapixel DSLR quality camera, we've got some exciting news for you. According to leaks, Nokia is about to drop its most powerful smartphone yet, and it's coming sooner than you think. This beast of a phone isn't just about the insane 400-megapixel DSLR camera, it also rocks the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia NX 5G. So, if you're eager to get your hands on this monster device, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today, we're diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's get started. Features of Nokia NX 5G. Display. Nokia's latest flagship flaunts a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with 4K resolution, and a buttery-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and Corning Gorilla Glass Armor Plus for ultimate protection. Camera setup. This phone is a photography beast. On the back, you get a quad camera setup, headlined by a mind-blowing 400-megapixel primary sensor. And that's not all, it's backed by 100-megapixel, 24-megapixel, and 12-megapixel lenses for next-level versatility. Selfie lovers aren't left out either. The front packs a 64-megapixel shooter for ultra-crisp selfies. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Nokia NX 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, the most powerful chipset in the mobile world right now. And to keep things smooth, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS. Battery and charging. No more battery anxiety. This phone packs a 7500 mAh powerhouse, with 165-watt ultra-fast charging, meaning you can juice up in minutes. Plus, it supports USB Type-C Gen 2 for blazing fast data transfers. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expect this beast to be priced around $1,000 and trust us, it's worth every penny. And as for the launch date, no official info yet, but stay tuned for updates.